बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये सूरह फुरकान है, कुरान करीम की 25वीं सूरत है 18वें सिपारे में। तो इसकी तलावत आपके सामने करता हूँ। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तबारकल्लज़ी नज़्ज़लल फुरकान अला अब्दिही लियकूना लिल-आलमीन नज़ीरा। In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Blessed is he who hath revealed unto his slave the criterion of right and wrong, that he may be warner to the people. Allazi lahu mulku samawati wal ard wa lam yattakhiz waladan wa lam yakul lahu sharikun fil mulki wa khalaqa kulla shay'in faqaddarahu taqdira. He unto whom belongeth the sovereignty of the heavens and earth, he hath chosen no son, nor hath he any partner in the sovereignty. He hath created everything and hath meted out for its measure. فَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِهِ آلِهَةً لَا يَخْلُقُونَ شَيْئًا وَهُمْ يُخْلَقُونَ وَلَا يَمْلِكُونَ لِأَنفُسِهِمْ ضَرًّا وَلَا نَفْعًا وَلَا يَمْلِكُونَ مَوْتًا وَلَا حَيَاةً وَلَا نُشُورًا. Yet they choose besides him other gods who create not, but are themselves created, and possess not hurt nor profit for themselves, and possess not death nor life, nor power to raise the dead. فَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا إِفْكٌ افْتَرَاهُ وَأَعَانَهُ عَلَيْهِ قَوْمٌ آخَرُونَ فَقَدْ جَاءُوا ظُلْمًا وَزُورًا. Those who disbelieve say, this is not but a lie. Those who disbelieve say, this is not but a lie that he hath invented, and other folk have helped him with it, so that they have produced a slander and a lie. وَقَالُوا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ اكْتَتَبَهَا فَهِيَ تُمْلَى عَلَيْهِ بُكْرَةً وَأَصِيلًا. And they say, fables of the men of old, which he hath had written down, so they are dictated to him morning and evening. قُلْ أَنزَلَهُ الَّذِي يَعْلَمُ السِّرَّ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ إِنَّهُ كَانَ غَفُورًا رَحِيمًا. And say unto them, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he who knoweth the secrets of the heaven and earth hath revealed it, though he is ever forgiving, merciful. قالوا ما لهذا الرسول يأكل الطعام ويمشي في الأسواق لولا أنزل عليه ملك فيكون معه نذيرا. And they say, what aileth this messenger of Allah, that he eateth food and walketh in the markets? Why is not an angel sent down unto him to be a warner with him? أو يلقى إليه كنز أو تكون له جنة يأكل منها فقال الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا. Or why is not a treasure thrown down unto him? Or why hath he not a paradise from whence to eat? And the evildoers say, you are but following a man bewitched. انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا. See how they have kind similitude for thee, so that they are all astray and cannot find a road. تبارك الذي إن شاء جعل لك خيرا من ذلك جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ويجعل لك قصورا. Blessed is he who, if he will assign thee better than all that gardens underneath which rivers flow, and will assign thee mansions. بل كذبوا بالساعة وأعتدنا لمن كذب بالساعة سعيرا. Nay, but they denied the coming of the hour, and for those who denied the coming of the hour, we have prepared a flame. إذا رأتهم من مكان بعيد سمعوا لها تغيظا وزفيرا. When it seeth them from afar. They hear the cracking and the roar thereof. وَإِذَا أُلْقُوا مِنْهَا مَكَانًا ضَيِّقًا مُقَرَّنِينَ دَعَوْا هُنَالِكَ ثُبُورًا. And when they are flung into a narrow place thereof, chained together, they pray for destruction there. لَا تَدْعُوا الْيَوْمَ ثُبُورًا وَاحِدًا وَادْعُوا ثُبُورًا كَثِيرًا. Pray not that day for one destruction, but pray for many destructions. قُلْ أَذَلِكَ خَيْرٌ أَمْ جَنَّةُ الْخُلْدِ وَإِذَا الْمُتَّقُونَ كَانَتْ لَهُمْ جَزَاءً وَمَصِيرًا. Say, is that doom better, or the gardens of the immorality, which is promised unto those who ward off evil? It will be their reward and journey's end. لَهُمْ فِيهَا مَا يَشَاءُونَ خَالِدِينَ كَانَ عَلَىٰ رَبِّكَ وَعْدًا مَّسْئُولًا. Therein abiding, they have all that they desire. It is for thy Lord a promise that must be fulfilled. صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين والشاكرين.